Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, it's ours now?
I said Mar.
Wait, why'd you say Mar?
I couldn't decide whether to say my or our.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
What are we doing?
So today, I have actually worked with this before, but it is silicone oil, but I don't think Sean ever saw what it does. I did do a video on this before, and then somebody claimed it using a free song that they made into their own song. Anyway, so we're gonna use silicone oil, and I know that some of you guys probably know what this does, but like I said, Sean doesn't, and I kind of love showing you what all these things do, and I love seeing people's like first reactions to what resin can do.
I know what that does. It's for treadmills. It says on it.
It does.
Yep. So are we making a resin?
Hold on, give my camera 10 minutes. There we go. So this is the silicone oil that I'll be using. What were you saying?
I wasn't talking.
You were though. When I said, give my camera 10 minutes, you were saying something.
It's gone. Oh, I asked if you were going to make a treadmill out of resin.
Imagine that.
Yeah, I know. It'd be kind of interesting.
Like you could put flowers and stuff in it.
Yep.
You could have a flowery treadmill. So if you guys are interested in seeing Sean's reaction to silicone oil and resin, then continue watching. Okay, so we have 2 camera angles again. Is that the showing of 2 camera angles?
Exactly, yeah. It helps you sync it. Right?
It probably would help me sync it. Okay, so I mixed up some resin off camera, poured it into the molds, as you can see here. Bubbles are gone, so we're really just gonna get into the alcohol ink. I also have some white alcohol ink in this little squeezy bottle because it's easier to drip droppy rather than doing it out of this, but it is the Jacquard Pinata white alcohol ink. So now we can get started. We also picked our colors. Why don't you show them your colors?
Okay.
I almost did it for you.
So I went with aquamarine. And then also I went with crimson. And then, I don't know, if I'm feeling crazy, might put a little coral in there. See what happens when I do that.
Why is it the crazy color?
It's not the crazy color, but it's just the least favorite one.
Oh, okay.
Depends on how colorful I feel.
Okay. I went with ultramarine blue.
She had to one-up me. Just a little more marine than
Medium magenta. Both of these are Bria Reese alcohol inks. Oh, and this one is too. And this one's called Fog. And then the last one I'm going to try to use is a like metallic one. It's called Gunmetal, and it's by Tim Holtz Ranger. Okay, so first we're just going to do alcohol ink and like kind of have fun with that, and then pick the hairs out. Pick the hairs out first. This looks like an eyelash. Wonder whose freaking eyelash that is.
I don't think you should be that hard on yourself. I'm done to jump into it, but you do have to let me know what our little proboscis friend is doing here. What is this about?
I just told you, it's white alcohol ink.
Oh, so it's just easier to do it with this little...
Yep, well I was gonna use one of these, and what I usually do is like dip into this and use this little squeezy tube, but I'm running out of these, and I need it for the silicone oil, so I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. It even has like a nice tinier, what did you call it?
Proboscis.
Proboscis.
Yes.
Proboscis?
Yes.
And that's this. The little...
Well, I mean, a proboscis is a mosquito nose thing, but that's what it reminded me of.
Oh, okay. So this little like nozzle reminded you of that. All right, cool. So we're going to get started now. Do you want to just like jump straight in?
We're jumping in.
Do you have any, oh God, do you have any ideas for what you want it to kind of look like? Any plans?
Not really.
Yeah.
Like, I still don't know what this treadmill oil is gonna do. So I'm not really sure.
Cool. I kind of like that.
Yeah.
I'm happy with that. know. You're like, you always do like a specific design. And it makes me kind of like self-conscious that I'm like just blobbing it in there. Maybe that's the key, because everyone always likes your designs more than mine when you're in my videos.
Really?
Yeah. So what kind of like design were you going for? What was your idea there?
I mean, I didn't really try to create anything.
Oh,
I just
okay.
sort of grabbed the colors. I don't know, I like the colors. Then I just sort of tried to go with something symmetrical, sort of making sense, rather than just like splats.
Are you calling mine splats?
No, it's very...
Look at it! It's splats!
It's freeform and swirly.
Okay, so with silicone oil, you don't need a lot.
Okay.
It's gonna do a thing.
Okay.
Actually, I want you to do yours first.
Okay.
That way we can react to just yours first.
Will it be apparent what it's doing?
Oh,
And then- Okay.
So drop this without I don't want to tell you what it does.
Okay.
Just drop it where you think it would be cool.
Okay. Okay, I think I like that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Was that your reaction to silicone oil?
Honestly,
It is moving pretty slow.
Yeah. So that just spreads out all the...
Yeah, it does like a weird netting kind of effect.
Interesting. Oh, that's really cool.
I love how mine's looking. It's so like spacey and weird.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I like this. I think it's really interesting.
Yours is so freaking cool.
Yeah?
So yeah, if you want, you can you can drip ink over it and like watch it do its thing. So I might do that.
I think I'm gonna do that too. See, I when I first saw it spreading, I was like, oh, so it's gonna make these parts bigger. And it obviously did, but it also took away some of the color.
Yeah.
And I put it over the blue specifically because I wanted a lot of blue.
Mine's very like alien.
It is, yeah. I was thinking that. It looks like a weather forecast on an alien planet or something.
A weather forecast on an alien planet?
Yeah. I think that's what you should call it.
Weather forecast on alien planet?
Yep. That's the name of this video, folks.
No, it's
you know
not.
that because you clicked on it.
No, it's not. No, it's not. So that's it for today. Yay, a round of applause.
Wow.
So we'll see you guys tomorrow when we pop these out. We'll probably pop them out with you guys just to kind of give our reaction to them, but then I'm probably going to top coat them by myself off camera, and then we will show you guys the glossy, beautiful finish.
Yes.
Right?
Exactly.
And like cool clips of it hanging on the wall and stuff like that. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Sing. Oh my god. Okay, it's 24 hours later, and I thought we could pop them out together instead of just like staring at our hands popping it out. So what we're gonna have to do is wash them with soap and water to get all the silicone oil off so that when the top coat goes on, it doesn't like repel the top coat.
Gotcha.
I'll wait for you to catch up.
Oh, okay, okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Ooh, let me actually take a look at it.
They need to see it first.
I showed them.
Barely. There's a glare on it.
Hold on, let me just put it right here.
Oh my god, it looks so pretty.
I know, I know. Oh wow, yours is so cool. Yours has a real like 3D effect to it. It's crazy how much the silicone oil pushes the colors aside.
Yeah.
'Cause it's so much red.
Yeah.
Yeah, it pushed it even further than it did yesterday.
Yeah, as it
that's
cured.
visible. Yeah, yeah. I don't know if they'll be able to
Ooh,
see.
I don't even know if like the backside is better than
Oh,
the
yeah.
front. Obviously, we have to top coat them because they're still pretty matte. So what I'm gonna do is wash these and then top coat them. And the next few clips you're gonna see are them completely finished after I've top coated them and everything. So commence the finished product.
Yes. Wow. Amazing. That would be so cool.
So you guys will have to let me know what you think of them and what you think. If you had to pick one, which one would you pick? I already know the answer. It's probably Sean's, right?
I don't know, I really like yours. I think...
I do too. But I like yours too, and they always end up liking yours more than mine.
Well, here's the thing. I'm usually a little bit more minimalistic, where I feel like
Yeah.
you just kind of throw everything in there. But when you use silicone oil, that makes it look better, I think.
Better than what I normally do.
Better than what I normally do.
Oh, I got you, I got you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I can't remember what I say! You say it.
Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's Artsymadwoman there. Follow me on all the other social media that I have.
Subscribe to this current channel.
Yeah, subscribe.
Current.
I mean, if you want to. Yeah. Do you know how to get to this channel? I'm not sure if, I mean...
I love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye! Bye! You gotta say bye. That's it.